Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best nylon patches is probably one of the most versatile and practical solutions for repairing clothes, offering both functionality and a touch of style. In this video, we will explore the best nylon patches available on the market, comparing their durability, ease of use, and aesthetic appeal to help you choose the perfect patch for your clothing repair needs, whether it's fixing a small tear or covering a larger worn area. And we'll also explore different application methods to ensure a long-lasting and seamless repair. Number 5. Nylon Repair Patches. These versatile patches are perfect for fixing tears and holes in your clothes, bags, and more. They're easy to use and will keep your belongings looking their best. Get creative. Cut these patches into fun shapes and patterns to add a personal touch while repairing your items. It's both practical and stylish. Made from durable nylon, it's built to last. These patches are strong, safe, and provide long-lasting repairs. Simply peel and stick. No sewing or ironing needed, making repairs quick and convenient. They're perfect for a fast fix. Each patch is generously sized, allowing you to cut them to fit any repair job. They're also great for DIY projects. From clothing and jackets to tents and backpacks, these patches can repair a variety of items. Keep your gear in top condition. What we like? It allows you to unleash your creativity by cutting it into various shapes. It's also incredibly durable and long-lasting. If you enjoy crafting and want a versatile, long-lasting solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? Patches are very flexible and adhere really well. I'm impressed and like that I can cut the patches into whatever shape I need. These patches worked better than the smaller ones and covered the areas with rips perfectly. It's just what I needed. It's a little difficult to remove the backing, but once it is removed you can easily patch up any hole. I like the fact that you cut the patch to the size needed. It's barely noticeable. Number 4. Nylon Repair Patches. These versatile patches are perfect for quick and easy repairs. They're durable, waterproof, and easy to apply. Get creative. Cut them into fun shapes and add a personal touch to your repairs. It's both practical and stylish. Made from durable nylon, it's built to last. They're safe to use and perfect for long-lasting repairs. Simply peel and stick. No sewing or ironing needed. It's the convenient solution for all your repair needs. Each patch is a sizable 20 by 10 centimeters, easily cut to fit any repair. Use them for clothing, bags, tents, and more. From clothing and jackets to tents and backpacks, these patches are ready for any adventure. Repair and reinforce your gear with ease. What we like? Its larger size means fewer patches are needed for bigger repairs. It is durable and easy to apply. If you need to repair larger tears or holes quickly and efficiently, this is the one for you. What people say? Great item to use to sandwich in between layers of leather to reinforce straps and etc. which are stressed. These are big, so you can cut down size and use one patch for multiple repairs. Easy to apply, and I added a naval aviator's patch on top. Jacket looks custom made, and no one can tell there was damage. Number 3. 9 Sheets Nylon Repair Patches. These aren't your average patches. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes to tackle any repair job, big or small. Get ready to fix those rips and tears with ease. With 3 different sizes and shapes included, you'll always have the perfect patch on hand. They're designed to seamlessly blend in and provide a durable fix. Made from high-quality nylon, these patches are built to last. They're strong, reliable, and easy to apply, providing a quick and effective solution. No more complicated sewing. Simply peel off the backing and stick it onto your fabric. It's that simple. They're perfect for quick fixes on the go. From clothing and bags to tents and outdoor gear, these patches are incredibly versatile. They're your go-to solution for repairing a wide range of items. These patches are perfect for both quick repairs and creative DIY projects. Let your imagination run wild and personalize your belongings. What we like? This pack offers a variety of shapes and sizes to suit any repair job. They are durable and super easy to apply. If you need a wide range of options for different repair needs, this is your best bet. What people say. They are almost invisible on my black puffer coat. These patches are handy dandy. When my lightweight down jacket was brand new, Kitty accidentally clawed my coat and tore an opening in the nylon. These patches work super handy and stay on after washings. I was impressed with the ease of application and adhesion to surfaces and variety of sizes. They give you a ton of different shapes and sizes. Number 2. Nylon Repair Patches. These versatile patches are perfect for quick fixes. They're easy to use and come in a pack of 15, so you'll always have some on hand. Made from durable nylon, these patches are built to last. They're strong, reliable, and safe for various fabrics. Simply peel and stick. No sewing or ironing is needed. It's the perfect solution for fast repairs. Each patch is large enough to cover various tears and holes. You can easily cut them to fit your specific needs. Use them to repair clothes, bags, or even for crafting projects. They're incredibly versatile and convenient. Please be aware that the actual color may differ slightly from what you see in the image. What we like. The extra large size makes patching up a breeze. It's durable and requires no sewing skills. If you value convenience and a large surface area for repairs, this is ideal for you. What people say. Extreme adhesion, easily fix any rips, tears, holes. The color combination in the pack accommodates just about everything. Just cut it to the size or shape you want, an instant fix. The material is very sticky and it has held up so far. She used the material on the inside and outside of the fabric shell of winter jackets to repair holes. These patches work very well. Just iron both sides and it sticks forever and your shorts or pants is saved. Number 1. 15 PCS Nylon Repair Patches. These patches are made from tough nylon, so they're built to last. They're also safe and easy to use for long-lasting repairs. Each patch is generously sized, measuring 19.8 by 9.8 centimeters. You can easily cut them to fit any tear or hole. No need for needles and thread. Just peel and stick these patches for a quick and easy fix. From clothing and jackets to tents and backpacks, these patches can repair a wide variety of items. They're perfect for outdoor gear too. Get creative. Cut them into fun shapes and patterns to add a unique touch while repairing your clothes. It's both practical and fun. What we like. It is made from a long-lasting, durable material and is incredibly easy to use. Plus, you can get creative and cut it into fun shapes. If you want a durable, easy-to-use patch that also lets you express your creativity, this is for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.